Hello and welcome to Popalong RC. What a great morning we had down at the track this weekend. On reflection, I think the 6S was a bit too much for the location as the grip was low and the track's narrow and the jumps were a little too close together to get any real rhythm to the run. Ultimately, a couple of failed flips and hard landings at speed meant damage to the DR8, but this is only a couple of pounds to fix, as all that happened was I had split the shock end on one of the rear shocks. So £2 and we'll be back up and running. Regarding the Arrma, an unbalanced lipo appeared to be the cause of the inconsistent speed. Now we've got that resolved, we look forward to part 2.